Good morning, Kindergarten Rock Stars. Let's take a look at our morning message. Here we go. Good morning, Kindergarten Rock Stars. Today is Wednesday, November 4th, 2020. We are so happy you are watching today. All right, we're going to do a little bit of word work here. I'm going to say a word, and if it begins with the sound, so the letter M, sound, then I want you to put your thumbs up like this. And if it doesn't, you're going to put your thumbs down. All right, you ready? Our first one, mailbox. Mailbox. Yeah, your thumb should be up. It begins with the sound, mailbox. All right, here's our next one, necklace. Necklace. Thumbs down, because do you hear it? Has the N sound. Very good. All right, here's the next word, kick. 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 Thumbs down for that one. It begins with the K sound. Very good. All right, here's our next one. Mouse. Mouse. Yeah, good job. The letter M. So we put our thumbs up. And last one, mustard. Mustard. Yep, your thumb should be up for that one too, because mustard begins with the sound. All right, let's take a look at our next part. It says, are there equal amounts of stars and circles? So this is kind of going over what we did yesterday for math. So the first thing we need to do to see if they're equal amounts of two groups, we need to match them up. So I'm going to get my pen out. All right, I think we'll use that one, and we match them up. So I'm going to match this circle to that star, this circle to that star. Is there leftovers? Absolutely there is. Look at here. These guys don't have a buddy or a match. So if there's leftovers, that means there's not equal amounts. So we're going to put a big old X on there because there are not equal amounts of circles and stars. Wonderful. And the very last part, love Mrs. Cool and Miss Pam. Great job, guys. Let's keep going through our slides. Our letter that we're working on is our letter J today. It makes the J sound, J, jump. And that's what we're going to be working on when we're doing our small group Zooms today. We're working on the letter J, and we're going to do some phonics and some phonemic awareness. So be sure to get onto your Zoom today. All right, and we're going to do some counting. And I know, again, lots of our friends can count well beyond 20, but we're going to count to 20 today. And if you can count more, then you continue to count afterwards. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. All right, let's count backwards now. All right, I'm going to bring my arrow, because when we count backwards, we go with the big number first. You ready, boys and girls? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! Great job. All right. Now we're going to look at our patterning. Today we're going to do an ABC patterning. You're going to still work on your AB today for one of your lessons, for your papers, but we're going to practice ABC because a lot of you are ready for this. All right, so when we do an ABC pattern, that means we need 3 different pictures. So I'm going to go ahead with the turkey, a scarecrow, and a flag. Okay, so that's my pattern. Turkey, scarecrow, flag. Now I'm going to continue because remember, a pattern repeats over and over. Turkey, scarecrow, flag. Okay, then we repeat it again. Turkey, scarecrow, flag. Great job, boys and girls. All right, let's take a look at some of the words that we need to know. Do you remember this word? Gray. Very good. How about this one? Orange. Red. Blue. Fabulous. All right, let's keep going. I just wanted to go through a couple other things with you. Today we have our class Zoom at 2 o'clock, and we're going to be talking about voting and election countdown. Yesterday was a huge day for the United States of America that we got to vote, and we're going to talk a little bit about what that means. And then we'll do our activities, and I'll show you what those are here in our Seesaw. That's where you push the light bulb. You're going to do the gray page. So this is a little different than yesterday. So you're writing it, you're putting it, you got some missing letters. You're going to put them in order to make the word gray. We're working on and then this one, you're working on your letter J. And remember, there's 5 different pages. So make sure you get those all done before you submit it. Make sure you push the green check mark. And then Mrs. Oldry from our library is reading you a story. All right, and then let's keep going. We do have some videos that you need to be ready for. Our math lesson 2.2, we're talking about greater than, so that's on there. The letter J is actually going to be our Zoom time, so we'll be working on the letter J, so be ready for that during our Zoom time. And Miss Pam is going to read us a story, and we're going to work on an A-B color sheet. And those are all videos that will be posted, except for the letter J. That will be during our small group time. All right, boys and girls? All right, have a wonderful day, and be sure to check up on your Zoom because we want to make sure that we get to see your beautiful faces. All right, have a fabulous day.